Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a completely custom product page for your WooCommerce store using Elementor, even if you have never done it before. We will cover everything from setting up the layout to styling the buy now button. Let's go. To follow along, make sure you have WooCommerce installed and set up Elementor, the free version. Elementor Pro because the Pro version unlocks the WooCommerce widgets, a product or two already added to your store. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard, then hover over Elementor. Then click templates, click theme builder, go to the single product tab, click add new and choose single product. Give your template a name and create template. Elementor, Elementor will load a blank canvas or offers pre-built blocks, feel free to choose one or start from scratch. Now let's build your custom product page using Elementor's drag and drop widgets. Here are the key one to use: product title, product images or image gallery, product price, product rating, product short description, add to cart button, product tabs for description, reviews, related products or upsells. You can organize this in columns or sections for a cleaner layout. Want the image on the left and details on the right? Just drag them into a two-column row. Now let's make it look nice. Select any widget, use Elementor's Style tab to change fonts and text sizes, adjust padding or margin, customize colors and button styles, add hover effects or transitions, inserts icon to trust badges below the add to cart button. Make sure your design looks good too on the desktop, tablet and mobile using Elementor's responsive view toggle. Once your design is done, click publish. Elementor will ask where you want to display this template. Choose all products to apply the template to every product, or set specific conditions like product category, tag, or individual product. This gives you full control. For example, you can use one layout for clothing and another for tech products. Let's preview a real product using this layout. Head to your store, click a product and boom, your new custom design is live. Test the buttons, images and layout on mobile to make sure everything works perfectly. Want to boost conversions? Try adding a countdown timer, sticky add to cart bar, or product bundle. All easy to do with Elementor add-ons like essential add-ons on Croco blocks. The Elementor free widgets like heading, image, text editor, video button, link in bio, image box, testimonials, icon box, social icons, image gallery, image carousels, curves, then icon list, counter, progress bar, nested tabs, nested accordion, toggle, rating, HTML, shortcode, menu anchor, read more, sidebar, Google Maps, SoundCloud, divider, text path. And that's how you create a stunning custom product page in WooCommerce using Elementor. For enhance your website, reduce DOM output, improved media file loading, reduced CSS and JS file or JavaScript files, lazy loading, faster font loading, optimized font end, asset loading, element caching. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on custom shop or checkout pages too. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.